Hello, I'm Sean Awesome and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Press ow. Okay. You can have all the superpowers you want, but reality is impacted by all the Facebook posts that ask you to share or else. I'd just ignore those posts. Everyone you care for is placed in a perfect universe with no disease, starvation, or poverty, but you're stuck on the planet by yourself for a year before you can join them. No, people need to die. Although, but, it is a good idea. You get free Apple products for life, but you can never use another brand of technology. I see, Alex Owen, commented, "Screw Apple." I'm with you, brother, all the way. No. Woohoo! 55 didn't press. You can have the most powerful gaming PC with free upgrades of your choosing for life, but you can't use Steam. That's okay, I can use another thing, gaming platform. Any children you have will be extremely beautiful, but they will also be really, really dumb. No, they can always be. Hey, come on. I'm made of beauty incarnate. Of course my children will be extremely beautiful. I mean, even if my wife is on the other side, but yeah. Oh, minority, only 27% press the button. You will get every video game console and game for free mailed at home, but you will have to wear a trench coat and a fedora your whole life. Removing them will kill you. Of course, that'll become my look. That'll be the new look in all the fashion magazines. Okay, last one. You enjoy the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola, but you have to look at Pepsi cans. Sure. 72%. Press the button. Okay, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 6 days a week. Again, Sundays off. At the end of the month, I'll be going on hiatus for 3 months. I'll be back in mid-March. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.